So today we're going to be doing the craziest dance challenge on the internet right now. And it looks like this.
Mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, professor é 6, 7. 20, mais 20, mais 20.
Anyways, without wasting your time, let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back. Here's back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today we're going to be doing a challenge called 6-7. One of the dopest challenges in Brazil right now, bro, right now. Anyways, without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. This is your right because this is your right, and then this is my left because this is my right. This video is mirror. So without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, the song goes lyrics, and then usually people like do different stuff during that time. So this is like the first step. The first step is freestyle. So you're gonna freestyle. It's either you're gonna sing the song or you're just gonna do some actions. You know, try and be cool. And then we're gonna do step 2. I hope step 1 is clear. So step 2, we're gonna do our first move, which is the Brazilian move. So you're gonna tap there, right? This is basic before we actually jump into the actual move. So you're gonna tap there so that you can get it easy. Tap there and then tap there. Did you get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go tap, come back, tap, come back. Again in 5, 6, 7, 8. You tap, you come back, you tap, you come back. Yeah? Now we're gonna change it so that you can feel what we're gonna be doing with our legs. It's not a tap there. This is just basic so that you can get the hang of it. So let's do that one more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do it 8 times. We go 1, we go 2, we go 3, we go 4, we go 5, we go 6, we go 7, we go 8. Now we're gonna try and do exactly how the move looks. It's just a tap, but a bit twisted. And the twist is here. You're gonna twist your leg. So it's gonna be on this side of your leg. Yeah? So you're gonna tap there, and then tap there, and then tap there, and tap there. Continue, there, you go there, you go there, you go there. Nice. Now we're gonna put our body movement inside the move. Yeah, we're still on step 2. Try and put your body movement into the move. You're gonna, every time you hit with your right, you're gonna swing your body to the left. Yeah, so you're gonna go 1, not too much, please, not too much. There we go. Yeah, there, you go 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 there. If you continue, you're gonna get it. Yeah, nice. Got it? Now we're going to step 3. Step 3 is the mixture of the body and the hands. But before we go, the body and the hands and the legs. So we're gonna try to do the body first. Yeah. So this is the swing. That's what we have. The swing. Yeah. And then now we're gonna try and put the body bounce. Yeah. So the body bounce is like a this bounce is there in hip hop. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the bounce that we're gonna try and put. Yeah. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go tap, go tap, you go tap, you go tap with the bounce. Tap, tap, you go 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 tap. You got it? Nice. So we're gonna try and put the hands. The hands are going 1, 2. Pretty simple, right? There, you go there, you go there, you go there, you go there. Let's try the body bounce and the hands. So you go 1, you go 2, you go 3, 5, 6, 7, you go 8. Perfect? Nice. Let's try the body bounce, the hands, and the legs. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3, you go 4, you go 5, you go 6, 7, you go 8. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, 3, you go 4, you go 5, you go 6, you go 7, you go 8. Now we're going to step 4. Step 4 is the actual piece of the professor. Inchi, 5 inch. Let's go. So our first move is gonna be a 1, you go 2, you go 3. Got it? Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3. Perfect. Nice. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3. So on 3, you're gonna put your leg back here, and then you're gonna tap here, and then you're gonna tap there. So how many times? So you're gonna tap 1, you go 2, you go 3, you come back, hop, and then you hop this side again, you hop this side again. That's 3. Yeah. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then you tap on your left. You get it? Let's try it. So you go 1, you go 2, you go 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, you go 2, you go 3. Hop, hop, hop. 1, you go 2, you go 3. Hop, hop, hop. 1, you go 2, you go 3. Hop, hop, hop. There. You got it? Try that with the hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3. Hop, hop, hop. 1, you go 2, you go 3. Hop, hop, hop. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3. Hop, hop, hop. 1, you go 2, you go 3. Hop, hop, hop. You got it? Nice. So we're gonna try and go to level 5. I hope you guys got step 4. So step 5, we're gonna try and increase the pace and do it exactly how they do it on challenge. Yeah. So in 5, 6, 7, 8, go da 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 da, like that, guys. Yeah. So what's important here is step 1 and step 5, because they are the ones that are the challenge. Yeah. So take step 1 and then you do it with step 5. Step 2, step 3, step 4 are basic. Also, if you didn't get step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, I have a basic tutorial that I have previously from this video. So please check that out and then let me know what you think. All right, we're gonna do it with the music. Let's go.
Professora, que acontece? 20 mais 20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, professor é 6, 7. 20 mais 20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, professor é 6, 7. 20 mais 20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, professor é 6, 7. 20 mais 20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, professor é 6, 7.
If you watched till this end, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you are notified every time I drop a new tutorial. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching until this end. Peace out.